What's up, Queen Divas? So today I want to show you how to make some beautiful marbled sugar cookies. These are so cute. What do you think? But first, let me introduce myself. I am the DIY Queen Diva. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and bell button to keep updated with me on the weekends. Okay, so these are the cookie cutters that I got from Walmart. And this is the O with the heart. So this is where the hearts come from. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and place these in the oven. And I'll be right back so we can go ahead and ice these cookies. So while my cookies are baking, and you can use whatever sugar cookie recipe you want to use and roll your icing, I am going to use this Sunny Side Up Bakery gel coloring that I got from Hobby Lobby. That's a Hobby Lobby brand. And this purple is just something that I already had. So I am going to place a couple of drops into the royal icing and swirl it around. Again, you can use whatever brand of food gel coloring you want to use, and also you can use your own royal icing recipe and your own sugar cookie recipe. It's not going to make a big difference or anything like that. So I have my gel food coloring drops, and I am just going to take like my scriber and just drizzle the food coloring around in the royal icing. So now we can go ahead and dip our cookies. Just make sure your cookies are cooled down. Okay, so I am going to take my first sugar cookie and dip it, and then shake the extra royal icing off and go to the next cookie. This is what it looks like. I am swirling some of these colors around. So I am going to put some gold luster dust in a cup, mixed with some lemon extract. I just need a little, not too much. And this brush is too big, so I'm going to switch out brushes. I'm going to use something with the finer tip. I am just going to outline one of these lines. You know, this is, I need something thinner. So basically, I am applying gold luster dust with the lemon extract onto the sugar cookies to make the sugar cookies pop. Don't forget to make your comments below to let me know what you think about these sugar cookies. Okay, Queen Diva, so what do you think about these beautiful marbled sugar cookies? Well, enjoy your weekend and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And don't forget to tell your family and friends about my channel. Bye bye.